So this video will show you how to set up and run the pressure washer. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to connect it to the hose. So my hose has an end attachment on, so I'm going to need to take that off. And I'm going to attach it to that part of the hose right there. So part A to part B. So now that I've got that connected, the next thing I want to do is actually turn the water supply on. And you can see it's going in. Then I want to take this cord, I'm going to plug it into the wall. And I got to hit this red button. That's really important. It will not work unless you hit this button. If you don't hit this, it won't turn on. I want to check and make sure the water's flowing, so that's good. I'm going to come down here. I'm going to turn this to on. Let it run. And we're good to go. It's working. So that's exactly what we want. It's all primed and ready to go. To turn it off, you simply turn this off. Turn the water supply off. Then you can let the water run out of this. And it'll eventually, the water will come out of that. You can unplug. And then disconnect your hose. Wrap everything back up and put it back where you found it.